Libra, last month, March, was, well, very trying for you. Learning the truth about you'd fallen for a narcissist. I hadn't realised just how distressing it was, but it's suggesting on this spread that it's brought an end. Well, of course it has brought an end. It's brought an end to that relationship, but brought an end to many things, and that you're having to rebuild your life. And looking at this spread, I would say you're doing it wonderfully. That's how it feels to me. You're doing it absolutely wonderfully. One of the things that you're doing, which is quite uncharacteristic for people who've been victims of a narcissist, and that is you're hanging around waiting to get more information, rather than directly attempting, and this is what I'd worried you'd do, rather than directly attempting to get retribution, you're just hanging around. The overall energy is you learning to deal with it, learning to put up boundaries so that you don't get hurt again. And, you know, that sort of energy carries forward into the future, whereby that's the sort of feminine energy of putting up the boundaries, but the masculine energy is sort of a little bit more proactive, a little bit more action orientated. And I'm delighted to see that. I don't think it's action orientated towards retribution. I think it's action orientated towards rebuilding your life. I'm hoping I've got that right, at least. And it all comes about because you get hold of practical information on how you should deal with your life now. And it's entirely practical. And what you need to do is, knowing that you've escaped a fate. I don't want to say worse than death, but it is a fate. It is. Well, you know. You need to celebrate that you now understand, and this was a lesson from the universe, that it looks like you've learned. Don't get distracted. Don't get distracted in looking for retribution. Don't get distracted in feeling that you've got so much to do, that it's a balancing act. You get on with rebuilding your life, because that's what's important. Anything to do with the past is completely unimportant. Now, this month of April is about you learning to deal with what you've been exposed to. Learning how to deal with the narcissist, learning how to deal with your own feelings, learning how to deal with future encounters, not necessarily with the same person, but with another narcissist. Because let's face it, 1 in 5 people are. So you are going to come across them again. So this is a very important lesson in life that we all have to learn. Well, I say we all. I don't know if narcissists have to learn it, but maybe they do. But we all have to learn this lesson, and I believe you're learning it very well. It's about setting up boundaries. Now, I know from bitter experience that boundaries are a red rag to a bull to a narcissist, but nevertheless, they are the way to play them. And, you know, if they don't respect boundaries, boundaries are there so that you walk away. And you learn that during this month. And that runs through everything else this month. Now, not for the first time in this month of April, I've had an energy from the previous month that suggests that I didn't get the severity of the previous month quite right. Because this is the energy of the Tower. That's a destruction of your life. Well, I suppose, you know, losing a loved one is, in this way, is destroying your faith in human nature to a certain degree. You can't have a bigger Tower moment than that. So I suppose it's right, but I sort of hadn't picked up on how strong it was, really. And what you have to do now is rebuild your life. But I see every sign that that's exactly what you're doing. I see very positive signs in this spread, and I think you're doing very well. Now, what I was worried about last month was that you'd become preoccupied with retribution, and that your life would be filled with seeking retribution, seeking to get this person back. And I don't think you are. I think you've resisted that. What you are doing is you're hanging around and gathering the evidence. Hopefully this means that you'll recognise that there's nothing much you can do. It's something that you have to change your life around the fact that 1 in 5 people are like this, and you need to learn to deal with them. And I think you do. I think you're just gathering the evidence, sitting quietly and waiting. And that is really, really sensible, Libra. Really sensible. Now, the overall energy is the Queen of Swords, but the future is the King of Swords. And again, I think that's really positive. So the Queen is sort of learning how to deal with narcissists, putting up boundaries. But the King is you being much more proactive. I don't think this is you being proactive in seeking retribution. No, I think it's you being proactive in rebuilding your life around the fact that you know you're going to come across narcissists again, and you have to know how to deal with them. And I think you've learnt that lesson admirably. So that's what I think you're moving to, which, you know, I think is incredibly positive. I'm very, very pleased to see it. And why are you doing so well? Well, you're doing so well because I believe that information that you were waiting for does come to you. And it's of a very practical nature. It's not simply finding out about narcissists and narcissistic abuse. No, it's practical information on exactly how to deal with it. And that's what I believe comes to you. That really is so important. And that's why, you know, the future is of you. It's an action orientated energy of a king. Someone that not only knows what to do, but knows how to put it into practice. So this information you were waiting around for, it actually does come, and it's exactly the right information. From what I can see. Now, you do have a lot on your plate. You've got a lot of things to do and a lot on your mind as well. And it is going to be a struggle this month. You know, for goodness sake, you're rebuilding your life. What did you expect? But the important thing is that I think you're getting on with it. And to a certain degree, it's about prioritising. The priority is to rebuild your life, not to think about what has happened. Priority is simply to get yourself back on your feet. And so don't allow other considerations to colour to creep into your mind. Don't be preoccupied with doing things that aren't about rebuilding your life. You know, be focused. And you're going to turn out fine. You really are. Now, I don't know whether you consider this a lucky escape, but I mean, it is. You know, my entire life has been dominated by narcissists. My mother was a covert narcissist, you know, and it's affected me my entire life. She managed to put off every girlfriend, every love I ever had, and that's had a profound effect on my life. I no longer have family left in the United Kingdom because she told them all that I didn't contact her when I used to phone her every week. And, you know, they thought that I'd been very cruel to her, and it was a combination of the health crisis and lies by her. So I no longer have family, you know, and that was her mischief. That was her mischief. And as a result of, you know, not being able to keep a girlfriend because she poisoned them all, I ended up with someone who was a worse narcissist than her, thinking that she was strong enough to stand up to my mother, but I was abused for 20 years, you know, so I do know what it's like. So for goodness sake, celebrate. Celebrate that you're free, you know. If you can celebrate that you're free, then your future is looking wonderful. It really is, Libra. Libra, around 20% of people in this world are narcissists. And you fell for one and became very unpleasant, and last month you realised what had happened. I'm sorry, I hadn't spotted that it was quite as destructive as it was, but let's face it, falling for a narcissist and narcissistic abuse is devastating. But it really has destroyed your life, and all you can do is rebuild it. And what I'm delighted to tell you is that you're rebuilding it admirably during this month of April. You're doing really well. And, you know, I was worried that you'd be seeking retribution. I was worried that you'd be focusing on harming them, and you're doing nothing of the sort. You're hanging around, trying to gather information on how you should rebuild your life, I believe. And also that information is how in future to deal with this 1 in 5 people who are narcissists. And it is about putting up boundaries. And, you know, they don't respect them. But the boundary is there so that you enforce it. And if they don't respect the boundary, simply move away from them, have nothing to do with them. And you've learned that lesson, I'm sure of it. You've learnt it so well that after this month, you become much more proactive in rebuilding your life not dominated by narcissists, rebuilding a positive life. And this all comes about because you get the practical information this month on what you need to do to deal with it. So do celebrate that. Do celebrate. Celebrate the fact that you've escaped from the narcissist. Celebrate the fact that you now know what to do. Celebrate the fact that you are able to rebuild your life. The things are looking positive once again. Celebrate all these things, and I'm sure everything's going to be fine. Of course, it's not going to be plain sailing. It's not going to be easy. You've got so much to do, and probably got so many things on your mind. And you mustn't be deflected by the fact that there's so much confusion, so many things to do. You need to be a bit single-minded because you are rebuilding your life. But rebuilding your life in joy, rebuilding your life knowing that there is a great future for you.